gonna go over everything just so we get a full understanding of, what everything means. So right now we're on a quote screen. And what the
Okay.
quote screen is, it's gonna be the first place that we come to when we decide that we want to actually take a trade idea. We're gonna come here first to take all of our trade ideas. When they come, we want to know what pair we're trading. So we're gonna come here to begin everything. Before we get into how to place a trade, let's set up this account. Let's set up the demo account so that it's ready to go. So on the top left, you see 3 lines, which is the menu bar. Go ahead and press those. We're going to go down to where we're going to go up to where it says manage accounts because we're creating a demo account. All right. So notice that you've selected the manage accounts. It comes with a generic demo account. Right? It's already activated. It's a Metatrader 4 for the Android. But what we're going to do is we're going to make this collateral to the real foreign exchange market. So we're going to press that plus sign and we're going to add our broker that we use for our live trading. Right? But instead of us going live, we're going to make sure that we create the demo account. So we're going to select open a demo at the top and we're going to type in the broker that we use, which is KOT. All right. So as soon as you type in KOT, notice how KOT demo pops up. Right. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go ahead and select KOT demo. You're going to fill out this personal information here. Usually it wants a first and last name, or you can go ahead and put your first name space last initial. Fill out this information, personal information. All right, now you have this right here, the leverage. Keep a note of this. The leverage is always going to be 1 to 500. We don't need to touch the account type. We'll leave it the same. But as far as depositing, instead of 100,000, we want to make it more realistic. Let's do $3,000 or $1,000, whatever it will let you do. 3,000. That's great. So go ahead and create that account. Press done. All right, so now what we have here are the main pairs on the quote screen. You are now into your new demo account. Let's double check by pressing the 3 dots at the top, the 3 lines at the top. See, it says TES L, letting us know that we are on the demo account. Now we can go back to the quote screen. Now that we're here at the quote screen, notice that you're not really able to scroll down. It's not anything there. These are just the regular forex pairs, the main forex pairs, but we trade more. So let's go ahead and press that plus sign so that we can add the pairs that we trade. All right, so we have folders here. What I want you to do is go into the first folder that we use, US shares. We're going to grab Apple and Amazon right at the top. Stroll down to the bottom and grab Tesla. All right, now we're going to press that arrow to go back to see more folders. All right, well, plus sign again. All right, so indexes is the next folder. We only need a few. So we're going to grab Germany 30. Go ahead and stroll down. NAS 100. SPX 500. We only want one US 30. We want the one that does not say pro, just the regular one. Good. Now stroll up some more to the top. Keep going to the top. Start right there. We want to go into energies. We want to grab one thing out of here, crude oil, and we're done. All right, let's go into plus sign again. We're not going to press that arrow back. We're going to stay here because we're not done adding. Let's go ahead and open up the metals folder. We want to grab silver versus gold. I'm sorry, silver versus US dollar. Second one. All right. So now we want to grab gold versus US dollar. Not the pro, just gold versus US dollar. We want to go into the cryptos folder up top right there. We want to grab Bitcoin USD. It actually reads Bitcoin USD. It's the fifth one, Bitcoin USD. Now we want to stroll down to the bottom and we want to get what we call Ripple. Ripple is going to be XRP USD. Now stroll back to the top. We want to go into another folder. We want to go into forex crosses. This is our last folder. Now, when we first came here on the quote screen, we had all the main forex pairs. All that meant is we were exchanging. They was giving us the option to exchange the main country's dollar amount. Now we have the smaller countries, not meaning that they're small in size, but the dollar value is a little bit worth a little bit less, and they're comparing the two countries to each other. Notice at the top we have the Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar versus the Swiss francs. All this is going to be us having more access to all of the trading pairs. So this is what we want. This is the majority of where our trades come from. We make the majority of the money in the forex pairs. So I want you to add every single pair, everything. Go ahead and plus sign it up, everything. Complete. Now we can press that arrow and we're going to go back. Now stroll down and take a look at everything that you have now. All right, this is everything that we trade. So now what we are going to do, we're going to take a step towards that top left line up there, the menu button. We're going to pull it back up. This time when we go to the menu button at the top left, we're going to go to the settings. Once we open up the settings, we are going to make a couple changes. We're going to stroll down and we're going to go to where it says charts. Keep going. Okay, go back to, okay, colors. Well, what we're going to select for the Android. Stroll down a little bit more. Notice at the bottom it says customize color scheme. Click customize color scheme. Now we're going to go to the top. We always work from top to bottom in this business. We look at everything from top to bottom. We never start in the middle. We never start at the bottom. Scheme, custom. All right. All right. Background. Let's go with a black background. Foreground. Let's go with a white foreground. Feel free to screenshot it, or you can wait for the video to drop. The video will be up. Green. Okay, let's go with grid. Grid will be the black. I'm going to go with a black grid. We want to go with the bar up. We're going to skip the volumes, go with a bar up of a royal blue. Same color as the blue at the top of your Metatrader. Bar down, red. That's cool. Bar down's red. We're going to use the same blue and the same red. Listen to me. If you ever hear someone say the market is looking bullish, that's just a forex term. It just means the market is going up. So bull, make it the same color as the bar up. Same as your blue. Go ahead. Bull candle, blue. Bear candle is going to be that same red. You want to make sure that bull candle right there is blue, and you want to select the bear candle as red chart. All right, you want to go ahead and do your chart line. Let's just do a green. Bid price line, let's go white. Ask price line, let's go gray. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Stop levels, let's go with a yellow. Sun yellow. Let's go ahead and press done. Now, at the top of your screen, let's go with the settings and let's pull up the charts. Settings and then the charts. So now we have it. We have your colors has changed. They call these candlesticks. As far as what we're looking at, they look like candlesticks. Candlesticks that are blue, they represent the market when it's buying up. Red is going when the market is going down. Now, ask price. Notice how we have two lines over there that's showing us, you know, the dollar amount, showing us the exchange rate. One thing I'm starting to notice that it might be hard to read the white one. So let's go ahead and go back to the settings, and we're gonna make a change. Go back to the settings. Let's go back to colors. All right, bid price line. Let's make that a lighter gray than the light gray than the gray that you have down there. One shade lighter. Press done. We're out of there. Now let's go back to the charts. Let's make two changes. See the fancy F at the top. Press that fancy F. All right, so go ahead and delete the relative strength index. It's not needed. You can swipe left on it, or you can press the garbage can and press delete. Now, we are going to use the moving average. Click where it says moving average, period, change it to 50. All right, pixel, we'll change it to white. Press done. With a white pixel, period should be 50. As soon as you get that in, done. We are complete your demo. Everything is set up and good to go. So family, that is how you successfully set up a demo account for your Android. Everything is set to go and ready to place trades.